Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this really glam prom makeup look. It is incorporating some orangey, brown, blues, and blacks. I really love how this look turned out and I hope you guys like it as well. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, if you're excited to see how I got this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I've already got my eyes primed and ready to go. Now I'm going to jump in with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and with a Morphe M441 I'm going to jump into Burnt Orange. I'm going to use this as our transition shade. And for this we want to make sure we get it deepest on the outer corner, but we still do want to take it all the way into the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and I'm going to jump into Real Gar, and I think this is going to be the first time that I'm using this shade in this palette. In this we're going to mainly focus on the outer corner. And then as most of the product is leaving the brush, we are going to bring it all the way into the inner corner, just like with the first shade. Jumping back into Burnt Orange just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going to jump over to the Soft Glam palette, and using a Morphe M514 brush, I'm going to pick up just a little bit of Noir, which is the black shade. I'm going to put this just on the outer part of the eye, just to add a little bit of smokiness. And taking whatever is left after I've laid down most of the product into the inner corner. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape on the back of my hand, and I'm going to cut the crease. Now I'm going to dip into this darker blue shade in my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to stamp that on the outer part of that eye. And I normally would not have taken the concealer all the way to the edge of the eye look, but because I knew I was working with this and I really wanted this blue color to pop, I wanted that base down. And I did not set anything on top of that concealer. That way this color really picks up. Now I'm going to go into the Soft Glam palette and use Noir again. And just really smoke that out on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush and I'm going to push this in the outer V. and kind of make that blue fade into black. Now I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and use the shade Beam, and that is what I'm going to be putting on the inner corner, or on the inner half of my eye. I'm going to go lightly over the blue to make them blend together. And taking that same brush that I used with the blue, and I'm just going to pat it over those two colors to make them blend seamlessly. So this is what the eyes are looking like right now. I'm going to apply my liquid liner. This is the e.l.f. one. It's like $2 and it's my favorite liquid liner. So there it is with the winged liner. That's where we're going to stop with the eyes for right now. I'm going to jump off, do my face, and I'll be right back to finish up the eyes. The base makeup is done. Now we're going to go back to the eyes. Now I'm going to take some of the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner in Blackest Black, and I'm going to put this on my waterline. This lasts so much longer on the waterline than regular eye pencils, so that's why I prefer to use this. Now going back into the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to pick up more of Noir. I'm going to push this as close as I can to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange and really smoke out the black. So I went ahead and popped on some mascara and some Ardell Demi Wispies, and this is what it is looking like. Now I'm going to pop on some Jeffery Star in the shade Daddy. Now I'm just going to throw a little bit of the liquid Catsuit and Nudie Patootie just on the center. And there you have it. This is the completed look. This is how it came out. I really, really love how this turned out. But guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. If you have any video requests, please go ahead and leave those down below in the comment section and I will get to them as soon as I can. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!